Well, Katie Howell is with me right now. She is the director of the Towers. And Katie, always good to see you.
Oh, it's great to be here. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, and I first have to mention that our picture is outdated now.
Yes,
right?
It is. We've just finished painting the building.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a brand new color.
And Katie showed me a picture of it. It's almost opposite of what you see there.
Yeah, it is.
Right?
It's the balcony fronts are now darker and the background's lighter.
All right. We'll have to update our photo then.
We're going to. We're going to do a whole new commercials out there.
All right,
yeah.
Very good. How long did that take?
It took us about 13 months because it was such a rainy winter last winter.
Yeah, that's true.
That it was a little bit of a struggle to finish, but we finally got there.
All right,
yeah.
Very good. Well, if you want to see what it looks like, you can coming up this Sunday because you have your buyer and realtor reception.
Yeah, this is a reception we have every couple months for anyone who's a potential buyer, like maybe you've thought about it, maybe you don't know what the Towers is about. It's an opportunity to come and take a look, a no pressure look at the Towers and see if it is for you and get all your questions answered. We have a panel of residents that every time, we have people come and they do a Q&A with people who actually live there of what it's like to live at the Towers.
And by coming there that day, they're realtors there.
Yeah.
So therefore, if they see something they like or want more detailed information, what it takes to buy there, then they can hook up with a realtor because you folks don't sell the property.
Yeah, we don't sell. I'm not a realtor. I'm a property manager. So, the event starts at 1:30 this Sunday, and it's like it's a firm start at 1:30. We do a little info program, do the Q&A, and then anyone who wants to take a look, who's interested in taking a look, we have realtors there so that when the program finishes, and it's about a 30 to 45-minute program, when the program finishes, they go and they walk the units, and you can go take a look at whatever you want that's available.
Okay, and how many are usually available?
At any given time, anywhere from 8 to 15, I think, units available. It just depends on what's on the market. We've had a lot of units close in the last couple months, so there's some stuff that's off the market.
All different sizes?
Yeah, all different sizes, from studios up to 2, sometimes 3 bedrooms.
Okay, now, this time around, though, there's not going to be a brunch because you did an early brunch this year, so to speak, with this month because of Easter. Yeah,
every year we put either our March or April brunch, we put it on Easter Sunday rather than on the 3rd Sunday of the month. And just like every May, we put the brunch on Mother's Day instead of the 3rd Sunday of the month. Every other month, it's the 3rd Sunday of the month. So yeah, we had an Easter brunch a couple weeks ago, sold out. It was a fantastic brunch. But yeah, so there's no brunch, but we will be feeding people. There are there's hors d'oeuvres, there's great drinks, all kinds of stuff from our food service provider, Sodexo. They'll have a great spread there.
And we might have some photos of their food that you serve there.
Yeah.
In fact, there they are. Now, I want to ask on this. This is what you see on the brunch, am I right? Okay.
Yeah, those are pictures from our brunch. The pictures on the patio, that's one of our patio parties, our catered patio parties. But yeah, those are pictures straight from our brunch.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah, it gets rave reviews.
However, the next brunch coming up, as you said, is Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
I'm sorry I don't have the date of Mother's Day this year.
I think it's May 13th.
Yeah, it's usually right around that. Whatever that Sunday is.
Yeah, second Sunday.
The second Sunday.
Yeah.
And you are taking reservations for that already?
We already have 50 reservations for the May brunch. Yeah, so we take reservations both if you want to let us know you're coming this Sunday for the reception or for brunch, you call our front desk, our reception desk, 949-597-4278.
Okay.
Yeah.
As far as the Mother's Day brunch goes, what's the cost of that?
Our brunches now are $26.
Okay.
Yeah.
So same thing for Mother's Day brunch. It's not a different charge for that.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, $26.
So call if you want to go to the reception, the buyer and realtor reception. That is this Sunday.
And it's free.
It's free.
Yeah.
Okay. So no charge for that. That's at 1:30, but they need to RSVP, right?
They don't have,
it would be nice.
It's nice to kind of get an idea of how many people are going. So we like to know, if you know you're coming, give us a call, let us know you're coming.
Okay.
That's go ahead.
Yeah, and then the number's on the screen, 597-4278, the same number you will use if you want to go to the Mother's Day brunch, and that's $26 a person. So that number there is good for both these events, but the one coming up this Sunday is free. There'll be light refreshments. You got to be there by 1:30.
Yeah,
right?
1:30 is when we start the program. Chelsea delivers a great program about the amenities at the towers, and then you get to Q&A actual residents who live there and find out.
All right.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
So check that out if you've ever been interested in seeing what the towers is all about or living there.
Yes.
And you'll tour some of the units. And then if you have more interest beyond that, there'll be realtors
You talk
there.
to your realtor and get it done. Yeah.
All right. Very
Yeah.
good. Katie, always good to see you.
Yeah, it's great to be here. Thanks for having me
Yeah,
today.
thank you very much. And we'll be right back. Check out
Great.
the towers.
Thanks.